Every Web3 company faces the same challenge. You are managing payroll in one app, invoice in another, tracking addresses in spreadsheets, and hoping nothing goes wrong. The result: manual errors cost companies thousands, payment delay hurts cash flow, and employees wait for days for settlement that should take seconds. What if workplace management could be as seamless as technology we are building? Meet VP, the first comprehensive Web3 workplace platform. We unified invoice payroll management and saving into one intelligent system built on Sonic high performance infrastructure. Let me show you how three critical business functions become effortless. First, let's create a invoice. Notice our integrated contact management system. No more manual address stories. So here you can select, maybe you want to use a traditional payment method, which is bank transfer, normal bank transfer. Just input the bank name, your account name, the name that we show on the account, and the account number. So here, in this case, I'm going to be going with crypto payments. So for recurring payments, it will depend on how you set it. You can set it to be sending it monthly to the client. So you can send it to custom. Maybe you want it to be sending it to the client every 14 days until it reaches count of 12 invoices sent. You can change this to maybe until specific dates, or you don't want to choose when it will stop unless you stop it yourself. So yeah, I'm just going to go with monthly. So here you can give the person small notes, and here you can select due date or uh, start date and due date. I'm sorry for this. So let's just create it. Oh, so once you're done filling all the details, just click on create invoice button, and voila, that's it. Simple as ABC. As the client email receive this, we receive mail. So as you can see here is the invoice I just sent to this client, which is this mail. You can see here invoice of $33 and this is that you've already sent as recurring. You can stop it here, just pause it here, or you can leave it to be resending it to the client every time based on the logic you set. So let's head over to the payroll first thing. So in here you can pay your workers with uh now investor payroll with smart contract automation. So I'm going to create a festive schedule for 60,000 annually distributed monthly. So uh when I want it to start the first token release, so let's say next 1 week, then release cycle monthly, and how many percent per cycle that I want it to be releasing. Let's say 20% every cycle. So I'm just going to select from my existing contacts book. So 60,000. So let me add one more investor from my contacts book. So 60,000, same as the first one. So let me click on create. So it has been created successfully. So if I come here, switch to the employee the investor address, I'm going to see the payroll that I'm on as the investor. So as you can see, this is the 60K that I just locked for the investor. So these are the tokens that are ready to be claimed. So let me just claim it. Let's say refer to the uh, contacts list. So here it's the where you can add your contacts. So let's say refer to log. So as employee that I just collect my salary, and I want to save money, so I can come here to I have maybe party in next year, or I want to save ahead. So I can just put the amount of token that I want to lock, which is, let's say I want to lock 500. So I can choose to look for another person. Just input the person address here. Then the email, the person email for notification system, and how many and the duration I want it. I want to lock it for. I can select it manually here, or I can select for quick drag here. So I just approve it here, and everything is happening on Sonic minutes. So once I'm done with this, I will check the block explorer. So I can copy this transaction as come to Sonic scan. So here's the transaction that I just did. You can see it's successful. And see here's the token and the gas, everything, all the information, all the parameter, everything is here. You can see here. Here's the amount of token that I sent, everything is here. So let's just refer to the demo. So here is first thing. So assuming you have maybe yearly budget that you want to be spending yearly, or maybe fee, or you want it to be distributing maybe monthly for you. So you can lock it for, maybe let's say you want to be spending 50,000 yearly. So I'm going to select. So you want it to be releasing the first payment that will be sent. So let's say the next 1 month I want it to start. So the releasing cycle, I'm going to choose 1 month. So every month, monthly is going to be releasing every month. So you can choose maybe more higher. So here you can select maybe percentage you want it to be releasing every cycle. Maybe you want it to be releasing 20% or 10% of that 50,000 monthly for you. So it's when the overall budget finish in the pool that the first thing is going to stop. So let's lock it now. So here is all the information about it. I can lock operating expenses for control monthly releases, preventing overspending while ensuring funds are available when needed. Perfect for managing yearly budgets or creating employee benefits program. Okay. Uh, makes VPay powerful. Complete integration. Client payments flow into company accounts. Payroll distributions happening automatically, and budget control prevents overspending. One platform, complete financial management.